So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can rename an active object that on which you are working on your Blender workspace. The object is the basically 3D configuration that all you have been imported on your workspace. So to do that, all you need to do is to just simply open the Blender on whatever platform that you have been using. For example, this is the platform on I open it on my Windows PC. Now here you need to first select the object of which you want to rename it. For example, if I can select any of the object. I have currently 3 objects on this workspace: this 3D model, this camera, and this light source. So I just simply select of which I want to rename. For example, if I select this coffee cup, on this window you're gonna see this is the current name of this active object, which is coffee cup. I just simply type double click over there, and you're gonna see now the typing configuration has been started. Now you can rename it as per your convenience. For example, if I write it as sample and just simply hit enter, now you're gonna see this is renamed, and you can rename it multiple times as per your convenience. So by this method you can easily rename an active object on your blender workshop. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.